Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your MetaMask browser profile for recovery, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your browser and launch the MetaMask extension. Once the extension is open, enter your password to access your wallet. Click on the account icon located at the top right corner of the MetaMask interface. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to navigate to your wallet settings. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Security and Privacy. Next, find the option that says Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase. You will be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. Once you enter your password, click on the Next button. Your secret recovery phrase will be displayed on the screen. Carefully write down this phrase on paper or a secure note. Make sure to keep this phrase in a safe place, away from digital copies. Avoid sharing the phrase with anyone to protect your assets. After recording the phrase, navigate back to the MetaMask main interface. To enhance security, consider setting up a hardware wallet. If you need to back up your MetaMask to another device, install the MetaMask extension on that device. Once installed, click on Import Wallet in the extension. Here, you will need to enter your secret recovery phrase. After entering the phrase, follow the prompts to set a new password for that device. Now, your MetaMask account is successfully backed up and accessible from another device. Remember to repeat these steps whenever you create a new account or make changes to your existing setup. Regularly updating your backups is key to maintaining access to your digital assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.